So today we're going to be making pickles. So we will need some cups up. Let's put that back in. A slicer. Inside there's spikes. You can see that. See? Okay. We will need some small cucumbers. Fresh small cucumbers. And we will need a pickle jar. And last of all, we'll need some vinegar. Now we're going to be cutting it. We're going to put them in the jar. Now my dad is going to put hot water in there. I can't do it because I'm only 6 years old. Okay, now I'm going to put in some vinegar. Here we go. There we go. So now we're going to put it in. I'm a little scared about it because when you put vinegar like another liquid, it kind of explodes. I'm going to put in some sugar and salt. Okay, let's just put that in. Guess that's enough. Sticking in the jar. There we go. And salt and seal it up. Okay, now it's time to check if our pickles work. It'll take 1 hour to complete. I'm not opening it. And I'm gonna make my dad and my little brother open it. My little brother is 3, so he doesn't be able to. No. Okay, there we go.
Looks tasty.
I'm not gonna have any. What? I sour. It smells good. It smells, once you open it, it smells a little bit bad. I can't smell it. It smells very bad at first, but it'll start getting into it.